Is $10 still considered gas money?
Whew, nothing like a cold start, baby. But with a cold start and the V8 comes with a gas light.
Welcome to Circle K. Thank you for shopping at Circle K. Information needed.
About to see what this little $10 gonna do. It's currently $3.78 for gas, for premium gas. That's what you have to put in the V8. So it's pumping $10. I actually just stopped. We got 2.6 gallons. So I don't know. Let's see. Here's the dilemma. I'm in a muscle car, I'm in a V8. Premium gas was just $3.78, right? I only got 2 gallons. It's currently raining outside. I'm gonna have the heat on because it's cold. We gotta do city driving and a little way of highway driving. So with that being said, I don't know if we gonna cut it, bro. Like, I don't think we gonna make it. We got to do city driving, then get on the highway, then do more city driving. You pushing it. Just now technically getting on the freeway, and we got about, I want to say 7 or 8 exits we got to pass to get to our exit, to exit off of the freeway, and then continue doing some city driving. Now, currently we got 39 miles to E-left, which you might be like, nah, you'll make it. Man, I don't know, bro, to be honest. We just had 48, now we at 39. We literally went down the street. I'm not exaggerating when I tell you, V8 gas mileage is very tricky. And consider it's raining, my concern is when we get off of the freeway, the stop and go traffic is what really is going to do it. Alright, so I'm currently trying to get over a lane because I almost just hydroplaned a little bit. I felt the water getting up underneath the tire and trying to lift it up. But good thing, this bad baby got a fat bottom on it, so it's kind of a little bit heavy. So I just got over. It's a little bit more dangerous than I thought, just because the rain factor. So now we got to worry about the rain and the gas. But good news, 3/4 of a mile, 3/4 of a mile, we will be at our exit. Then that's when the drama starts, city driving. Alright, so just came off the exit, just passed our first light in the city driving. I'm not gonna lie to you, man, I'm stuck in 3rd gear. Like, I'm not getting out of 3rd gear just because of the stop and go traffic. Like I said before, the rain, I'm stuck at another light. Yo, yeah, no, I'm on the way right now. I just got off the freeway. I'm like, I don't know, you know, coming straight down up the freeway. Yep. Yeah, I'm on the, like I say, I'm on the way, so either I'm gonna pick you up or you go pick me up. We about to see. Oh, I told you I ain't had no gas, only put $10 in there. Yep, coming all the way from my house. Yeah. I'm dead serious. Alright, I'll see you in a minute. Yeah, he thought I was playing games, but This is real life situations. We had 34 miles to go till we get to his house, but that's all city driving. So I think we might make it, but if we do, it's gonna be pushing it. Essentially, we made it about 24 miles to E. I guess it wasn't really that bad. I guess $10 is kind of still considered gas money, but if you really think about it, not really, because we still on E. But got the job done. Now we gotta really go get some gas.